Hey guys, this is Jack at Airmart, and today we're going to take a look at this beautiful 2003 182T. The Skylane has under 1,300 hours total time and 15 hours since a factory reman. This aircraft has a useful load of just less than 1,100 pounds, a fuel system of 92 gallons, and a fresh April annual. This aircraft comes with a GTN 750, a Garmin 796, a G5 attitude indicator, and a Bendix King Cap 140 autopilot. Thanks for checking out our Friday flyby of this beautiful 2003 182. If you'd like to learn more about this aircraft, check out our website at airmart.com or follow us on our social media.